Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping both devices. Power the Ronin S and charge the camera battery to at least 50% so you avoid mid-setup shutdowns. Once done, affix the camera baseplate using the 1/4-20 screw, adding a 3/8 adapter if your plate needs it. This keeps the mount secure and distributes stress. Slide the baseplate into the Ronin S quick release, push until you hear the click, and make sure the latch fully engages so the camera can't shift during balancing. You now perform the mechanical balance. First, unlock all axis locks and position the camera so the tilt arm keeps the lens parallel to the horizon. That reduces motor load. Next, fine-tune roll by sliding the camera left or right until the gimbal stays level when released. This prevents drift. Then adjust pan by sliding the whole plate forward or back until the camera stays put at multiple angles. These steps minimize motor effort and prolong battery life while improving speed. You finish by locking all adjustment knobs and turning on the Ronin S. Then run the auto-tune and calibration from the Ronin app so the firmware knows the camera's weight and center of gravity. After that, perform slow pans and tilts to verify there's no jitter or motor overload. If you see warnings, make sure to stop. If issues persist, rebalance the affected axis, recheck firmware, and tighten mounting screws. Reducing lens or accessory weight can also resolve motor strain quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.